Greetings everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to be telling how much does Sora AI cost. So a lot of guys are interested in generating videos using Sora, but the pricing comes into the action and they're just you can say like fed up. So basically it comes with the chat GPT plus and pro plans. You will be able to generate 720p videos or 1080p videos depending on your plans, and the time frame of the videos is also going to be 10 seconds for the plus version, and for the pro version it is going to be up to 20 seconds. So you are going to be needing to be paying $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus. That will give you a 720p resolution video up to 10 seconds. And if you pay like 200 bucks a month, you will be getting 1080p and 20 seconds. So that's it. That's how much it does cost on official site. The pricing is in front of you. You can also head over to openai.com/Sora/hashtag pricing, this particular link that you can copy to check it by yourself as well. So if you want to purchase, make sure to choose whatever plan is the best for you. If you are an individual, you can go with the $20 plan, works fine, and you can also go with ChatGPT Pro version as well. Choice is yours. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. See you guys in the next one.